Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a stylish gown with side gathers. Materials needed are two types of fabric. The yards will depend on the person that will wear it. Tailor's chalk, scissors and tape rule. Draft a gown bodice as shown here. Mark a deep square neckline as shown above. Mark bust span and connect as shown. Place on a fresh paper which will be on fold and slash the bust span line to the waistline as shown. Cut it out to get your new pattern. Your new pattern should look like this with added fullness. Connect your style line from below waist to CF as shown. Slash and spread the cut out for fullness as shown. Slash and spread the cut out for fullness as shown. Pleat back to the original size as shown. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.